Hello friend, welcome you all to my channel. Today I am going to show you how you can download and install all the reference style in Zotero Desktop Software. Here you can see the Zotero Desktop Software. If I click here, edit, preferences, in the preferences, if I click here on the side, you can see there are few citation style present in my software. And if I click here, get additional style, I can search and download one by one for my Zotero desktop software. But today I'm going to show you how you can install all the reference style at a time in Zotero desktop software. For this, open zotero.org website, click here on the documentation. In the documentation, if you scroll down, here you can see the citation style. Click here and now click here on the citation style language CSL. This will direct you to the website of CSL. And here if you click here on the developer, and you can see code repository and the link for the GitHub. If you click here, this will direct you the link where you can get the citation style. Here at the github.com you can see the style. Just click here and you can see at the right side code. Click here on the small button and download this folder, zip folder in your system. I have already downloaded, so I can show you. Here you can see I have already downloaded the folder and also extracted that folder. If you open this, you can see the .csl file. These are the individual citation style for the particular journal, and you can see there are 2608 file. But if you open the dependent folder, you can see there are more reference style you can use in your system. So this is how you can download the citation style. And here I want to show you the other way. You can get directly to the CSL code repository website. Just type in the Google and search. Now you can see the first website. Just open this. Again, you can directly go to the website and download this folder. So in this way you can get the link for this. I will provide the link so that you can download very easily. And now I'm going to show you how you can install the citation style in your Zotero desktop software. For this, copy all your .csl file that you have downloaded and open your C drive, user, and in the user section, search the Zotero folder and open this folder. You can see the style folder here in the Zotero. Just open this and paste all the file that you have copied from the downloaded folder. So there are two folders having the CSL file. If you want to keep all other CSL file, copy all those files as well and paste in the same folder. Now you can see in this style folder there are 10,472 files. I'm going to close this, and now close your Zotero desktop software. And I recommend you, after pasting the .csl file in the Zotero style folder, restart your system. But I'm not going to restart. I'm going to try this. Again, I'm going to click here on the edit, preferences, site. So you can see this is not updated yet. It takes some time to update the citation style, but if you restart the system, this will update immediately. But I am waiting for that. I'm going to click here on the plus button. Now you can see. Again, I'm going to open this. Now you can see all the citation style is updated. So in this way you can install all the citation style at a time in your Zotero Desktop software. So this is very easy. And if you are not able to find the Zotero folder installed in your system, here is another way. Click here on the edit preferences. In the Zotero preferences, click here on the advanced section, and in the advanced, click here on the file and folder, and here you can see the section data directory location. And if you click here on the show data directory, this will directly open the folder where your Zotero software is installed in your system. And in this section you can see the style folder. If you open this, you can see all the files available here. So if you are not able to get the style, just click here on the edit preferences, advanced, file and folder, and show data directory. You will get the location, and open your style and paste the downloaded .csl file here. So in this way you can install all the reference style at a time in your Zotero Desktop software. I hope this may help you, and if you like the video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.